여러분 안녕하세요. 자, narration 돌잔치. 돌 means first birthday. A baby's first birthday is 돌 그래요. 돌. 잔치 means 뭐 feast or party 그렇죠. 잔치는 generally big parties for special occasions in Korea. 뭐 like 뭐 무슨 뭐 like this kind of 뭐 first birthday 아니면은 뭐 somebody is getting married then 뭐 결혼 잔치. And if someone is 60 years old, then we call it like 회갑 잔치 그러는데 very special occasion, big parties for special occasion is called 잔치 그래요. 한국에서는 so in Korea 한 살에 so on one's first birthday 한 살 그러면 1 year old 그렇죠. So 1 year old when somebody turns into 1 year old 돌잔치를 합니다. So they do this 돌잔치. first birthday party 그렇죠. 지난 토요일에 so in last Saturday 한국어 선생님 딸 돌이었습니다. So last Saturday was Korean teacher's daughter's 돌 first birthday. So 한국어 선생님 해서 딸 and the baby turns into 1 year old. 그래서 저는 반 친구들하고 같이 So with my friends in my class, 선생님 댁에 갔습니다. So 댁 is also an honorific word. What's the plain word for 댁? 집, 그렇죠. 집 means house. But teacher's house, 그러면 선생님 댁, 그렇죠. So 선생님 댁에 갔습니다. So I went to the teacher's house with my classmates. 돌잔치에서, so in that 돌잔치, so first birthday party, 재미있는 일이 많았습니다. There were lots of interesting events, interesting things in that party. 상 위에 돈, 연필, 실이 있었습니다. 상 그러면은 dining table in the Korean style dining table is 상 그래요. 상. In Western culture, we have this 식탁. 식탁 means dining table. Western style dining table 식탁. And we have chairs and we sit on 의자. 의자에 앉죠. 그런데 한국에서는요, in 한국 traditional Korean way of having a meal is eating at this kind of 상 그래요. 상. 상은 very short-legged. 그래서 you just sit on the floor. 그다음에 이제 there is a 상 그렇죠. 그러면 you sit on the floor and eat 그래요. 상 위에 on that Korean style table 돈, money, 연필, pencil, 실 그러면 thread or yarn이 있었습니다. 돈은 부자를 뜻하다 그러면 to mean 그런 말인데 돈은 money means rich person. So money represent a rich person. 연필은 연필 pencil은 공부를 뜻하다 to mean study means study. So 연필 represent study. 실 thread or yarn 건강을 뜻합니다. health 그렇죠. 돈 부자를 뜻하다 this makes sense 그렇죠. 연필은 writing utensil. So 연필 represent scholar or study well that kind of meaning. 실은 thread is long 그렇죠. 그래서 it represent longevity, living long, good health 그런 거를 뜻합니다. 그래요. 그래서 이제 generally people display those kind of things in front of the baby and encourage baby to pick one of them. So baby doesn't know anything but just pick like for example money. Everybody cheers. She will become a rich person. If a baby catches like pencil 그러면은 she will be a great scholar. But these days people put lots of things. For example like golf ball. Then if a baby picks up the 골프공, golf ball. She will become a successful golf player. 아니면은 stethoscope, 청진기. 근데 if a baby catches, grabs stethoscope, then she will become a doctor. 이렇게 그런 걸 해요. So Koreans do that kind of event in 돌잔치. 선생님 딸은 the teacher's daughter 연필을 잡았습니다. Grabbed a pencil. Then people would say, she will become a great scholar or she will be good at studying. 그러겠죠. 한국에서는 보통 돌에 돌 그럼 first birthday. So on first birthday 아이한테 to the kid 금반지를 선물합니다. 금반지 그러면 golden ring이에요. golden ring 선물합니다. So they give golden ring 선물하다 그럼 to give a present 그렇죠? 그래서 금반지를 선물합니다. 그렇죠? 예. 뭐 gold keep its value even though time passes 그러니까 예. 그래서 금반지를 많이 줘요. 뭐 very small 금반지. 그래서 so 저와 친구들도 me and my friends 금반지를 선물했습니다. So we gave the baby a golden ring as a present. 사진도 많이 찍었습니다. So we took lots of pictures too. 즐거운 돌잔치였습니다. 즐겁다, joyful, pleasant. So it was a fun, joyful 돌잔치, first birthday. Have you ever seen Korean's 돌잔치? 한번 찾아보세요. If you look up 돌잔치 on YouTube, then you can see many videos of Korean people how to celebrate the baby's first birthday. 자, 그럼 여러분 감사합니다.